Hello, I'm Madhura. Welcome to Madhura's Desire. We are already in winter season. So today I thought why not to use the winter vegetables. So we are going to make Saljam Palak Ghosh. So Saljam is nothing but a turnip. So turnip and spinach with mutton. We are going to make it. So why to delay? Let's begin. It's very traditional recipe. Please do try this. For Saljam Palak Ghosh, which is turnip, spinach, mutton, I have taken 500 grams of mutton. You can take also baby goat. Now I'm going to add it 1 tablespoon of ginger garlic paste, half cup of yogurt, 1 teaspoon of turmeric, 1 teaspoon of chili powder, 1 teaspoon of salt, 1 teaspoon of pepper powder. And we will just give a quick mix and we will keep it for half an hour for marination. Mix it properly. Now we keep it for half an hour for marination. So for 500 gram of mutton, I have taken 500 gram of salgam. So this is salgam, which is also called as a turnip. They look like this. Now we are going to peel it. Like this way, we will peel all of them. So you can see. So right now, like this. I'm going to show you how to cut them. So just cut it into half. And we will cut it into thin wedges, okay, like this. So like this we will be cutting all of them. It has a little bitterness, so just to take it out, little of bitterness out of it, I'm just adding just 1 cup of water and 1 tablespoon of salt to it, and we will just keep it aside for 15 minutes. Adding up 100 ml of oil. Let the oil get hot. Now I'm adding 1 cup of chopped onion, which is approximately 150 gram, and it's a medium size of onion. We'll just give a quick saute to it till it gets translucent. Onion is almost translucent. At this moment we are going to add 2 tablespoons of ginger garlic paste, and we will cook for a couple of minutes till it gets all the rawness gets cooked. So we cooked already 2 minutes, so you can see they are already nicely golden brown color. At this moment we are going to add 2 tablespoons of coriander powder, 1 teaspoon of fennel powder, which is soft, 1 teaspoon of turmeric, 1 teaspoon of jeera powder, which is cumin powder, and 1 teaspoon of chili powder. If you like to have more spices to it, you can add more chili powder to it. Now I'm adding a half cup of water to avoid the masala from burning. So now we will cook till the oil starts floating on the top. So keep stirring it, otherwise it will get stuck on the bottom. So you can see here the oil is started floating on top. That means the masala is almost cooked. At this moment I'm just adding 1 gram of nutmeg powder, and that is just more than a pinch of nutmeg powder, and we will just give a couple of seconds saute to it. Now I'm adding the marinated mutton. Give a quick stir to it. So we are going to cover and cook for 20 minutes, but do not forget to keep stirring in between and always maintain the medium-low temperature. So let's see, we have cooked already 20 minutes, and you can see here the water from the yogurt has come out and also from the ghosh. So now here I have washed and rinsed the salgam with a clean water. Now we are going to add it to the ghosh. And we will just give a quick stir, and we will cook another 10 minutes the same way, and keep stirring to the ghosh, otherwise it will get stuck on the bottom, and maintain the medium-low temperature. So we will cook for 10 minutes by covering the lid. After 10 minutes of cooking, let's see how it looks like. So they have got nicely incorporated with the masala. And let's see how the salgam is. Yes, they all are 3/4 Now at this moment, you're going to add 150 grams of chopped tomato, which is medium size one tomato. Just will give a quick saute to it, and we will add 1.5 cup of water, and we'll cook for another 10 minutes so the mutton will get almost cooked. After cooking for 10 minutes with the water, let's see, give a quick stir to it. And now we are going to add the spinach. I have taken 150 grams of spinach, which is a half bunch of spinach. I have cleaned and given a wash nicely. It's a roughly chopped. So I'm going to add it here, all the spinach to it. Do a good quick mix. And now we are going to cover and cook for just 5 minutes. Let's see. For 5 minutes, you can see the spinach is almost wilted. Now we are going to add some chilies. So I have some chilies from my garden, which is jalapeno chilies. So I'm just adding 4 of them as a slice. If you don't have this kind of chili, you can add any green chili, doesn't matter. So I have sliced them and I'm adding the chili. And we are going to taste the seasoning. At this moment, we have to add any seasoning. So we can add it. Yes, I need some more salt into it. So I'm just adding a teaspoon of salt to it. You just adjust according to your seasoning taste. So I have just added 1 teaspoon. And let me try again. Yes, for me it's a perfect. Now I'm going to add just a 1/4 teaspoon of clove powder, 1/4 teaspoon of cinnamon powder, and 1/4 teaspoon of green cardamom powder. I will just give a quick mix to it. Cover with the lid, and we will reduce the temperature to low, and we will keep it for dum for 15 minutes. So we have given 15 minutes of dum. So let's see. So they have really beautifully cooked. Let's see how they have cooked. So here the turnip is cooked very well, you can see. Let's see the mutton. Mutton is also cooked very well. So you can see here. So they have already cooked properly. So if you think that your muttons are not cooked, you can cook for a little more longer time. I'm adding 1 tablespoon of crushed red chili. This is an optional. If you like to add, you can add. So I always prefer to have some crushed red chili pepper on a mutton. So we will just give a quick stir. So this is the consistency exactly I like to have. So the Saljam Palak Ghost is ready for service. So Saljam Palak Ghost is ready. We can eat with rice as well, and it's a winter special, so you can eat with roti, naan. It's your choice. I hope you enjoyed cooking with me. Please do try this recipe, and if you like the video, please do not forget to like and subscribe our channel. See you soon. Till then, eat healthy, stay healthy.